2026 and it's time to do our taxes. In the roofing industry, can you claim your new roof replacement in your taxes? Let's get into it. Hey guys, how y'all doing? It's Robert from Bison Roofing. If this is your first time on this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Or if you have not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button. They definitely help us out providing education, information for you as a homeowner to better understand your roof. Does your new roof replacement, can that be claimed on your taxes? And I got an answer for you. So cue the drum roll. And the answer is no. You cannot claim your new roof replacement on your taxes. First, I want to talk about why your roof replacement, that big investment that you spent thousands, tens of thousands on, why it cannot be claimed. So the IRS sees that as a capital improvement. It is an investment. They see it as an investment, not as a maintenance. So when it comes to your home and your roof, when you invest and replace the roof, you cannot claim it today in your taxes. However, you can claim it later on if you intend to sell your house. So that capital gains tax, it can reduce the capital gains tax that you may owe with your profit when you sell the house. But I do want to go over some scenarios where some people may qualify to partially get their roof claimed on their taxes. Scenario number one, your home office or rental rule. So if you use your home specific area as a work office, or you rent out your house and it's under an LLC, you can potentially claim partial, if not almost, your roof replacement cost in depreciation. It's not a lump sum from the government, but it is a business taxable that you can save over time. So it lowers your taxable business income over time. So it lowers your tax. Scenario number two would be the energy efficient credit. So back in 2025, there was a credit going on for solar where you can get a 30% tax break when you go solar. Buying solar panels, solar panel shingles, which is a new thing that's crazy, but they are solar power generated. Solar attic extractors, attic vents that extract the hot air from your attic that are solar powered. All these are eligible for that solar power tax credit. But as of December 31st, 2025, that credit is now expired for the year of 2026. So here's the part. Loophole, unfortunately, if we get those solar powered vents, or we get these solar panels in the year of 2026, unfortunately, that credit is now expired and we are unable to claim that for a tax break. So, but if you got it done in 2025, you may get that tax break. Scenario number three is very rare, but it can happen. And that is a medical necessity. Yeah, your doctor can prescribe some type of roofing ventilation that is necessary for your medical needs. So if there is mold, severe allergies, things of that nature, where your doctor may prescribe this roofing ventilation that needs to be installed on your roof that is medically necessary for your medical condition, you are eligible to claim that on your taxes. Keep in mind, I am not a CPA. I am not, licensed to give you financial information. I am just here to give information on the possibilities of what can happen, or some scenarios where you may get a tax deduction for your roof replacement. The overall answer is for the general person or the general homeowner, if they can claim their whole roof as a tax break, and the answer is unfortunately no. So if you like the information that you hear and see, subscribe to Bison Roofing, hit that like button. We greatly appreciate it. Again, All your support helps us make more videos to give you the information to you as a homeowner to better understand your roof. So guys, hit that like button. We'll see you next time. Follow us on all social media. Subscribe to our channel. We'll see you on the next video.